Today we are going to color in our raindrop with crayons. So the first thing you want to do is get a black crayon and outline all of your lines trying your very best. Oops, I made a mistake, so I just went around and made that thin line thicker. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye, making sure I'm pressing down hard and holding my paper down with my other hand. Now I'm coloring in the pupils. You can add a circle for a highlight, and everything else needs to be colored in black, trying to make sure that you have no white spaces other than what needs to be white. Continue tracing over all of your pencil lines. Don't worry about the edge. Now if you want to add an iris, all you need to do is add a little circle around your pupil and try to color in, making sure you fill in all the white spaces. And now get a blue crayon that has no paper because we are going to do a rubbing. A rubbing is good because it makes an even value around the whole raindrop. If we did that, we have a lot of white lines and it doesn't look very good. We can tell which direction you were coloring in. We don't want that. So do a rubbing throughout the whole raindrop. If you want to create some texture, which is the way something feels, to make it look more like water, I'm going to show you that in a second. I wanted to color in my mouth black, and I wanted to color in my eyelids with a different value of blue, so I just used the crayon like regular, but I'm taking my time and I'm making sure all my crayon marks are in the same direction, and it looks nice and neat. I'm trying my very best. Okay, once I'm done with that, here is how you can add texture. On one side, choose one side of your raindrop, you can add a darker value. So I'm pressing down harder. I'm still doing a rubbing, but I'm pressing down harder on that side. That's going to create a more water texture. Now, when you get your scissors, make sure you have your small circle is for your thumb and the big oval is for your fingers. Notice when I'm cutting, I'm making small chomps, not big chomps, because we are cutting something round. I'm making small chomps using the middle part of the blade, not the very tip. And my hand that I'm cutting with is staying straight up and down. The other hand that I'm not cutting with is the one that is turning the paper, so that I can cut straight on the line, trying my very best. All right, make sure you throw your trash in the recycling bin. Oh no, whose is it? Write your name and 1A on the back before you turn it in to the turn-in table and grab one sheet of free draw.